Hello, it's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and I am back today, messy desk and all, because I want to show you what I bought from Vintage Polka Dot Shop and from Sweet Miss Daisy Designs. So this is Vintage Polka Dot Shop. Now, I have to brag on Emily, and I know Robin would too, because we love to brag about her. I'm already pumping this up. She packages oftentimes with pattern paper, so you get all this really cool pattern paper with it. And it looks like it's a doll, so I almost want to start cutting the pattern out and start sewing it together, but I folded it up so I'd remember to save it. And it will go, well, I'll be using it in my journals and stuff. We might even put some in the junk journal, so let me put it right back there for that. So she had these old ones, and I remember when they came out, I really wanted them. They're a Tim Holtz, Stampers Anonymous. They're the old ones. What year were these? Big top. I don't see the year on it. But I absolutely loved these when they came out because I've always loved the circus. My kids hated the circus, so I never got to go. But she was destashing these, and I was very excited. I bought the 4 she had. So here's the other one. Just a little cling stamps. Encourage your hopes, not your fears. I need to stamp that on my forehead and read it every morning. Lately, it's been a struggle. I just don't know what's going on in my brain, but it's winter. I do know what's going on in my brain. I know it's winter. And even though we have beautiful sunshine today, it's just not enough daylight in the day for me. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Do what you love what you do. I may not be there yet, but I am closer than I was yesterday. Oh boy, these are so for me today. That is the way I feel about cleaning this room. It's just driving me up the wall. I've just overbought stamps, by the way. I love them. And I love them because they have designs on them that I love. And I love these little quotes. But I just think they're so interesting. And I guess I'm just kind of taken with them. I just love them. And here is the next one. That's the enjoy the journey. Now, I've always said that. Enjoy the journey. I haven't said it to you guys. Maybe I need to start putting that in there. In the bottom part. But aren't they wonderful? Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah. So, I am very happy that Emily destashed these because I've really been wanting them. So, 4 stamps in each one. I love this number stamp. That will be cool. Anyway, when they first came out, I couldn't afford them at the time, and I really wanted them because I love the circus, and I love the quotes, and I love the vintage look of them, so, oh, excuse me. So there is that. And then I also bought some coffee dyed paper, and I bought some more of legal size coffee dyed paper. I love to have this from her. It works so well for full sheets. You can put several on to make journaling cards, and it's just so much nicer. I love it. Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful coffee dye that she did there? So there we go. I'm not going to take them out of the packages yet because I'm organizing that drawer over there to get it fixed up and more ready for things. And oh, I bought this. right here. This is the Book of Knowledge, Volume 15. I needed Volume 15. That's all she had. So this is kind of cool. Now, I don't know if these are like an encyclopedia, the Book of Wonder, it says. But here was my thought. And Emily, close your ears. You might not want to know. But I thought how cool it would be to have some of these pulled out and put into, like this is just two, front and back story, that you could take this out and use it in a journal, and it would be a whole story to give to somebody. So that is my idea. Now, they're not all that way, but some of them have some great pages. And, yeah, I don't know what all the things are about, but here's a little book of poetry in here. But I haven't read them, so, you know, they may not be appropriate. But I will read them before I include them in a book. But here I thought these could make tags. So that is very cool. Here I thought this was just a really neat thing. It's the Great Locks of the Erie Canal. And I just thought that this would be a really cool picture to include in somebody's journal. You know, I go to buy ephemera and stuff like that, but oftentimes the ephemera just gets really expensive on eBay, and I'm just, you know, just not that eager. Here's winding cotton onto bobbins. This would be a cool thing to do. A winding and strengthening threads. Preparing the threads for weaving. Weaving the threads into cloth. So you get some really good pictures on this one. Let's see what else. Oh, look, I thought this was great. Look at this. Mushrooms. Isn't that fun? Mushrooms, edible and poisonous. I just consider that they might all be poisonous, so I don't get my own mushrooms. I buy them. The Book of Wonder is a stone alive. The Giant's Causeway in Ireland, showing the curious pillar-like formations of the basalt rock. There's a place up at Crater Lake. It's a national park. Anyway, they have these pillars that grow. You go around and go out somewhere else, and you know, it's really cool to see these pillars. And you just go out and look at them. It's kind of like when they say, is a stone alive? It makes you wonder sometimes, because these little pillars are just coming up out there. And I don't know, they're very cool. Music and noise. The story of the earth. Oh, I'll bet that's way off now. Not maybe for music. The Dog That Came Home Again. Rip Van Winkle. Oh, that was always my favorite story, because I was so curious about Rip Van Winkle. Why would he be, you know, why would he be sleeping so long? Wouldn't he get a headache? That was my question. But anyway, The Silent Princess, How to Remember. I better read that. It's a whole thing. The Book of Our Own Life. Oh, beautiful picture. See, that would make a great journal card or something to include in somebody's journal. So anyway, that is what this was. Oh, and oh, look at this. How scissors are made. How about that? That would be cool in a journal, wouldn't it? So I look for different ways to find ephemera to put in my journals. Originally I started buying it, and I'm tired of buying it now. I just don't want to buy anymore. And I want to start making my own ephemera. So this is how I'm doing that. And of course I showed you guys the Montgomery wards and things like that. So here is a thank you gift from Emily. I don't know if this was... She must have included it as a thank you. She is so generous, you guys. She's absolutely wonderful. But she included this little dictionary. It has 2 different languages, Mexico and English. The Spanish alphabet. So it has both languages in it, but isn't that cool? An English-Spanish dictionary. 1939. I absolutely love this cover. And what I want to do with this is I want to make a small book out of this one. Just like that other one that I never made. Well, I want to still make one, and hopefully I'll make them both. But we also got in our little thank you a tag, a little library pocket, a piece of card, and some, what do you call those? Rolodex. Here is a beautiful coffee dyed envelope. Wow, I love that. Goodness sake. Oh, this would be really good on the back of an envelope. I'm going to put these right into my drawer right here with backing papers I was just putting in there. Coffee dyed envelope. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to put this over with the junk journal. That's going to go in some of the pages. And we need a third one, so we'll put this one over there as well. Cool. And a coffee dyed paper. Coffee dyed paper. Oh, look at this. The Foxhound. Training is as a philosophy. Cool. I'm going to put both of these in that same drawer here. There we go. And these will go with coffee dyed paper, so I'll put them back there. And I have places to put these things, so I'll do that. And look what else she included. An alphabet. An alphabet stamp by Momenta. Very cool. Stamp, 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 stamp. Those will go with my other alphabet stamps. This will go with my little books. I don't know where that's at yet. I haven't figured that part out. Now, I have one more thing. Oh, I gotta read my note. Jeez. Thank you so much for another order. So glad you are getting some of my D-stash. I like to see it go to a good name. I do have a good name, Emily. Thank you. And you do too. Thank you so much. Oh, you said home. I knew that. A good home. It is a good home. And you have a good home too. I hope you are enjoying everything, including your thank you goodies. I am. Thank you so much, Emily. I am enjoying all of it very much. And going to enjoy it even more when we start using it in the junk journal that we're making this week. Now, oh, sorry. This is from Sweet Miss Daisy Designs, and as a lot of you know, she has come out with some stamps. She has a little thank you heart there. That is so cute. Okay, and look at these cute little sacks that she got. So I had Carol. I saw Carol over at Free Spirit Arts making these. And darn it, when she said, "Sweet Miss Daisy has her stamps back in, you go over." I did. I was so excited. And here he is, the first snowman. Or is this the first snowman? I don't know, but they're both so darn cute. And even though I did not need one more stamp in my stamp drawer that isn't even made yet, these are too adorable to pass up. They're snowmen. I just can't help it. And then I have, she had a bunny. Look at that bunny. And what else did she have? Sweet Miss Daisy Design. Thank you for your order. Tag us on Instagram and YouTube. And Sweet Miss Daisy. Etsy.com. She had these bunnies. Now, I do love bunnies, and these will be very cute for... I've never made an Easter journal, and I probably won't make one. But, you know, if I was to make like a 3-month journal, kind of like Barbara at 49 Dragonflies, a 4-month journal, I might use something like this in the month of April area, those months there. January, February, March, April. Towards the back of the book, I might use some bunnies and stuff like that. But if I make a card, stamp away. Oh boy. And then this one. Okay, so here we go. We have this one. These are illustrated by Anna Wright. And they are Raggedy Bunny. Her online shop, sweetmissdaisy.etsy.com. And then we have, who's this one? Oh, Heart Banner Bunny. You can see why. We should make a heart banner. That would be cool. And then she has framed bunnies. Look at this little tiny heart. You give me so many reasons to be happy. Anyway, that is my order. And I got these sacks to go with it. Thank goodness. I love having sacks. We probably will use these in the journal. Right over there. And so, there we go. That is the order. And that is all I have for today. Thank you for joining me, and we should get back to the junk journal here pretty soon. Just be patient with me. No, tomorrow we'll be doing junk journal. I have to put the pages together. We might have to put them together. Because it's just been a lot of work lately. Okay, so all my goodies. More stamps than I need. A really cool thank you book. And lots of paper and things I've already put away. And thank you very much for hanging out with me today. And I hope that you all will have a super beautiful day. And I hope you'll all come back and join me again. For Junk Journal series. Talk to y'all later. Bye.